Hey, it's Tom Bell. Now, I know that the previous video that you just looked at was, audio because, well, frankly, I believe I have a face for audio. But I wanted to come on and do this live to camera thing because I wanted to share something with you. You're about to get a great ebook about how to use leverage to build your life and your business. And we're kind of focusing a little on the life part because statistically, you've bought business books and not everybody has had a lot of success. So we're focusing on how you can use some leverage things that you might not be used to seeing in business books. But that's cool. You're going to get this, what we thought was a 20-minute video, but we're shooting it now and I can promise you it's going to be longer than that. But I wanted to make this little message to you. In the video that you're about to see, you're going to be made an offer. And I want to give you that offer now because we're closing it down after 1,000, and trust me, I want to look the camera right in the eye when I say it's 1,000 units. It will be. So I want to give you a fighting chance because you might not see the video right away and tell you what you're going to be offered in the video anyway. We're doing the 12 leverage points, how they work together, and how you can use 2, 3, 4 of them to multiply the good things that come from what they do. So in the back end, in the upsell, what we have is a $247 course. It's 12 webinars, each 60 to 90 minutes. We have guest experts. These are people whose name you know. Trust me, a lot of them are promoting this, so there's a good chance that who sent you might be one of the people on our webinars. But we're going really deep into the individual leverage points and how they work with each other, and how you can use that to A, get a lot more happy, B, get a lot more bulletproof in your business. Now, I am a professional copywriter and I know how to write bonuses, upsells, downsells, time-bound. Again, time-bound is for real. But I'm not going to insult you. I'm not going to add on frivolous bonuses that I bought from some PLR library. What we have here is real. The people who built this thing that you're seeing now, every one of them did it for free. They all did it for free. 2 or 3 of them ran their phone bills into the ground building this so that we could show it to people. So we're sort of on a mission to help people use leverage in their lives. The 247 is a fair number. It's a good product. Of course we have a money-back guarantee, but for a change, I thought it would be refreshing to see an offer where we just put it out, what it is, what we're trying to help you with, and why you should have it. So, $247, it's a 12-call series. You're sort of lucky right now because we're going to be collecting questions, we're going to be doing interactions as we're laying down this piece of content. So you'll have your chance and ability to be a part of it. Eventually, we're going to edit it all down into a video that we can go out and sell so that we can help people. But because you're here now, you're going to get to be part of it live. I hope that sounds like something of value to you. I'd love to see you on the other side. Thanks, Tom.